Hey, Dana here, and welcome to the vlog. What you're looking at is the Ninja Smart double oven. This is my wife's 60th birthday today, so I got this for her as a birthday present, and it might help out in the kitchen. So our toaster has bit the dust, so this is supposed to do all that and kind of take the place of this $3,000 convection stove that we've had 10 years now. It still works great, there's no problem there. It's just, it's propane, and it takes a while to heat up and do what you want to do with it, and then shut it back down. And now we're moved forward 10 years, and they've now come out with this thing here. There's only two of us, so this is supposed to be able to do everything that does. And sometimes we have the big microwave that came with it, but food definitely tastes better when it's cooked rather than radiated. So I'll do a review on this as time goes along and let you know how it works out. And of course, back to using a firm. Now I did go on the Ninja site, and it was going for $279, but you have to send for it and then get it back. I went on Best Buy, and they had it for the same price. So, needless to say, I went ahead and bought it at Best Buy and got their geek warranty for 2 years, and I believe that's after you're able to do after the manufacturer's 1 year warranty, and you're able to go to a firm to get this with no problem. The thing is, it doesn't come with a non-stick air fry pan, and it doesn't come with a non-stick grilling pan. Those are extra, and you have to get them through Ninja. So the fry pan, the non-stick air fry basket, should I say, was like $20, and then the grill pan is like $24. So I had to purchase those separate and got those from Ninja. They'll be on their way. Probably won't be here today, but anyway, between those two, this has got see on the side here, got a built-in thermometer. And there is the other stove that's a little bit bigger, but it's not a smart. And the smart means that it has a thermometer, which you can buy that for that one on the side. That's a little bit more. That's definitely $300.
Now, don't dump it, so
No.
we know that we've got it taken care of.
Yeah, well, it's in my account. It's in my Best Buy account.
Okay.
So.
Okay, good.
I'm not sure if the 2 year warranty is after the manufacturer's 1 year warranty on it. I'm not sure. But.
Well, I don't know,
with that said.
But it should be perfectly good. It's Ninja.
Oh, yeah.
But it's always better to have a warranty anyway.
But yeah, the thing, again, it was same price through Ninja, but I had to wait for it to get here. Then you'd have to ship it back to Ninja rather than get it at Best Buy at the same
That's
price.
A dishwasher, you little freak.
So, hey, what you doing, dude? He's now got his last set of kitten shots and rabies shots, so he is
Well, and he's okay as long as the doors are closed.
Free to
Because I
run.
know the screen
Free-
doesn't sometimes latch.
Free to run that. So, yeah, this is the unboxing of the Ninja. That I got for Patricia's birthday. So we'll see how this thing performs. And it's covered by manufacturers 1 year, and I'm not sure when the Best Buy Geek insurance covers.
Plug. Okay, that's
All
polarized.
right, so right now that's what's showing is the thermometer. That's what's making this unit smart.
Should I take everything off of it before I plug it in?
Well, yeah, let's do that. Yeah, well, it's nice stainless with stainless.
And wife loves stainless.
Let's see if they.
The wife loves stainless.
It's not
That's what
heat.
everything in my kitchen is stainless.
Yeah, that's heat distribution there, and probably heat distribution on the other side.
What's
So,
that for?
yeah, I guess we're gonna have to
What's that for?
move the.
You better look at my book. Oh, that's gotta be for my thermometer.
I guess we'll have to move the
Uh-oh.
paper towel. Okay. It's, there you got single. Okay. So you do have. Okay, there's your baskets. It's on a tray. Tray. Okay. That's just filler. What's in there?
I'm gonna make a toy for
Really showing that.
That's a drip tray.
That's your drip tray. Down here. Drip tray. There's the grill. Oh, I guess that's it.
There's more to it here.
Yeah.
Where'd you get this piece? Up here?
I think that's slid up. Slide into here. No, I think.
Warning! Fire hazard. Always ensure this tray is placed below the lower heating element when oven is in operation. So I guess it goes like that.
Yeah, here on the base.
Lower heating
There
element.
you go.
There's the other.
Your other tray.
Uh-huh. This goes in the bottom.
Top. There you go. Okay.
Huh.
Oh, one size, one way, huh?
Oh no, I was looking.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what's in here.
Uh-oh, my styrofoam's broke. It's gonna get all over my kitchen.
Send the kitten crazy. What are you doing, Sterling? Sterling. Kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah, this is back to the Ninja unboxing. Is that the is that the
I'm not sure. I'm trying to get it open.
regular basket?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to get it open.
Because what's coming is the
No, this is 2 pans.
huh?
I think this is 2 pans.
Non. Got the
No,
nons.
they're not stick. They're 2 pans.
Okay.
See?
Okay. It'll go sideways. Let's do that. Do they sit up? Do they sit up? Or are they same size?
They're the same size. They're 2 cans.
Oh, okay.
And that's the crumb tray.
Right.
And then there's a air frying basket right here, but it's not non-stick.
Okay. So that's the one. That's the other one that that's the one you have to purchase separately through Ninja.
If you want the non-stick.
If you want the non-stick.
And if you're looking for it, you might find it and you might not, because it was out of stock for probably 2 months.
Mm. Okay, so there you go. Air fry basket.
Voila!
So there you are. Got your 2 regular cooking pans. Your 2 scoop. What kind of pans are those? Just the regular pans. And then I'm getting the non-skid.
They're sheet pans.
Okay, those are the sheet.
Hey, don't pull on my tablecloth. Come
So
over here,
this
dude. Honey.
Which one's the sheet pan? Oh, here we go.
2 sheet pans,
Alright.
air fry
2
basket,
sheet.
wire rack,
And the wire racks.
crumb tray.
And then the crumb tray.
And then there's my
of course, your
thermometer.
Thermometer, and then some sort of a cookbook. So what I got coming is a air fry non-stick basket, and then I've got the grill pan coming. And that must be, see how that plugs. Okay, so that's plugging in there.
Different.
Hmm.
Same.
Are they the same?
Different.
Different.
This one goes to the Ninja grill.
The regular grill, okay.
Yeah, this one
Yeah.
goes to this.
Is this one here.
So they are in fact
So
different.
how does that go into that? You push this button here, and now you can just open the top. And then it'll lock,
See?
and then now you can open both at the same time. So, oh, slam.
Don't slam it.
Yeah, let's slam it. There you go. Beautiful, huh?
And do what to open them both? Just
Pull.
pull it?
Yeah. Voila.
Voila.
There you go.
So this, I guess I don't really need to use until I actually use it.
This is to make your food perfect. I'm just not sure how it.
It goes right here.
Okay, it plugs into there, and then how does it go into the? How's it go in here to do what you needed to
I
do?
have to read.
Okay.
You probably have to sneak it through.
But you got a little plug here. Let you see it. There you go. There's a little plug that goes for that thermometer.
Probably goes through here.
And then you have to figure out how the thermometer goes in it, because that's real important. That
Well, I
make-
gotta read the book.
That makes everything perfect. All right. So let's see how that's going. Straight up and down. Okay. There you go. How far on do you want to go?
Hello.
There you go. Hello.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
Now what? Oh, it's got a light.
I guess you select which one you want to use. You want to use the top one? There we go.
Why am I using nobody right now unless they're making me a muffin top?
Top mini muffin. I wonder if there's a timer. Set the timer.
Well, wait, see, because
Smart finish. Now you got it on broil. Oh, you just push it and it jumps the ones you want, or
Maybe not.
one of these. And that's high. Oh, okay, maybe this is this telling you what? No.
Huh.
Well, have to read the book here and figure it out. There we go.
Huh.
That's the unboxing at this point, and that's what you get with it. And again, you won't get a non-skid
Bye.
fry pan or basket, and you won't
Well, it's
get
polite.
a roasting pan. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we will keep you updated on this Ninja
Maybe this.
oven.